Yeah, I drive big trucks. Very different vlog today, whatever you want to call what I'm doing, but it's a fun kind of zero, and it'll put a little bit of cash in my pocket. It's day 72. I'm on a zero. However, you can see I'm in the middle of a field. About to take this truck back home for the family. It's hot, it's busy season, and I'm coming through, so I might as well help out work a little bit. Also, the skullet. Check it out, folks. Just got her cut back in. It's looking good. Let's try to make a couple bucks and pay for my new shoes. That's what I did with my first zero. I'm gonna zero again tomorrow. Relaxed for the first bit today, and I ended up working about 6 hours. If you want to see more stuff like this in the future, maybe like after I finish the hike, see how I save money and whatnot, let me know down below. Maybe do like a mini series of me farming. Could be interesting. It's day 73. I'm on my second zero, and we are doing some more farming this afternoon. I did rest most of the day. Now they just kind of need me to help get that out of the way. Jockey a truck around her too, so I'm happy to help. Yeah, see if I can spot a little bit of farmers in the wild for you. I'm just unloading the truck, and I might go out to see some friends tonight, or I'm gonna behave and go to bed early and hike tomorrow, maybe slack pack 15, maybe do 26. I'm not all that sure. But either way, something's gonna happen tomorrow. I gotta hike a little bit. And this is getting shaved tonight. There's no doubt about it. It's gotta go. It's getting too hot, holds too much food and garbage when I'm trying to eat, so that's gonna get cut off. I think this is about it for day 73. I'm missing the trail. I'm anxious to get back out there. It's been good to be home, and I made a couple of bucks here, but yeah, let's get after it again. See you tomorrow.